Hey guys, what's going on? JP here, and welcome to another video. But before the video starts, go check out FIFUTCarmel.com. Feels cheapest and most reliable Ultimate Team coin service in the description down below. So today, I have a player review. I have the upgraded Luis Suarez player review. He's been out for about a week, so I wanted his price to drop before I did this guy, and he cost me 179k. He's got 82 pace, 85 shooting, 91 dribbling, 76 passing, and 75 hitting. Now, next to that, I should have a different type of version of his card. I believe it will be the old one, so the one that got upgraded. But yeah, that was his old one, and he scored me 14 goals in 8 games, 3 disconnects, so that's not too bad. So you know, I will take that. In total, he scored me about 20 goals. So this guy's absolutely insane. 4-star skill, 4-star weak foot 2. Talking about those, we'll get into the in-game stats now. 4-star skill, 4-star weak foot. Center forward and striker. He's 25 years old, and he's got a high attacking work rate and a medium defensive work rate. That is brilliant, guys. And a center forward, you know, I'm really happy. The striker, medium defensive work rate can hurt sometimes, but you know what? I am happy with it. 80 acceleration, but 79 sprint speed licks him down. He does feel sluggish at times. He's got 79 strength flow, so he can hold off those big defenders, you know. And obviously, he's got the acceleration to get away. It's just the fact of whether he can keep that up. 81 vision, 86 tap position, and 85 aggression. So very good mental attributes there, considering you don't really see that in a striker too much. So I was very happy. 92 ball control, 89 curve, 95 dribbling, 89 finishing, 89 free kick accuracy, 86 long shots, 90 penalties, 84 short pass, 87 shot power, and 86 volleys. Some amazing in-game stats. They're really, you know, impressive skill attributes. And yeah, so you know, really did enjoy Suarez, and the in-game stats look absolutely insane, lads. They do. I mean, you know, that's what you're getting for 170k, and he will drop. But we'll get into the clips now, and I'm going to talk a little bit about him. Well, more about him more than anything, to be fair. Luis Suarez is absolutely amazing. His finishing is top class. You know, you get that ball in the box, he will score. You know, 9 times out of 10 the ball's nesting in the back of the net. You know, he's got a good long shot also. He's a very good dribbler, but look what about that? It just hits it outside of the foot. But he's a very good dribbler, you know, he can beat players, and that acceleration gets him away very quickly. He didn't really score too many headers. He scored the odd one here and there, but you know, he didn't really like to get the headers too much. He's very good. He's a very good passer. He's a very good dribbler, and he's a very fast runner. As you can see there, you know, just the finishing is really just the highlight of this man. You know, you get that ball inside that box and he will score you a goal. I mean, you know, most of these goals are inside the box. True, that one was pretty easy, but you know, he does manage to get the ball inside. This is my favorite goal, actually. He just shuffles past 2 players and then smacks it into the corner, you know, with precision and power, which is always brilliant when you're one-on-one with the keeper. And yeah, he loves to make those off-the-ball kind of runs. Playing with Benteke, they were really good together. Benteke held up the ball for him to run past, and then you just find Suarez, you know. But yeah, as you can see, another easy goal coming up. But yeah, Suarez just loved to finish, and he loved to score end of. This is my favorite goal. I'll leave you with this. What about that, ladies and gentlemen? A halfway strike from Luis Suarez. I mean, come on. Try the long shots. LT shoot from outside the box, and that is your result. An absolutely insane goal, and I was going crazy, lads. So if you have enjoyed this Suarez review, please leave a like. It would be awesome if we could hit 20 likes. I'm going to give him a rating, and I'm going to give him a 9 out of 10 for the main reason that 170k, you're alright. But you know, definitely if it was like 120k, I would pay for that, you know. But at 170k, I feel like he's not good enough for 170k. Not many players are.